Want to clear your watch history on TikTok but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your watch history on the TikTok app. Now let's get started. To clear your watch history on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Tap Activity Center. Then select Watch History. In the top right corner, tap Select. You can then select individual videos to remove from your watch history, or tap Select All Watch History at the bottom. Now tap Delete to remove the selected posts from your watch history. To confirm, tap Delete in the pop-up window. That's all it takes to delete your TikTok watch history. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.